Looking for a reliable stove that makes outdoor cooking easy and efficient? Best Stove for Camping offers fast heating, portability, and dependable performance for every adventure, helping you prepare delicious meals wherever your journey takes you. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Iwatani Cassette VA30 Camp Stove. The Iwatani Cassette VA30 Camp Stove is an excellent choice for campers, tailgaters, and outdoor cooking enthusiasts who want reliable performance in a compact package. Delivering an impressive 12,000 BTUs of cooking power, this stove heats quickly and handles everything from boiling water to preparing full meals with ease. One of its most convenient features is the magnetic fuel loading system, which allows the butane canister to lock securely into place without complicated levers or connections. This design makes setup simple while helping prevent user error. The built-in windbreaker is especially useful for outdoor cooking, helping maintain a steady flame even in breezy conditions. Its advanced heat panel maximizes fuel efficiency by ensuring the entire butane canister is used before replacement, reducing waste and improving overall value. Safety is another strong point thanks to the automatic pressure-sensitive shutoff system that protects against unsafe fuel conditions. Combined with a durable stainless steel drip pan that is easy to clean, the VA30 offers dependable performance, convenience, and peace of mind for camping trips and outdoor adventures. Number 2. Coleman Classic 7650 BTUs Butane Stove. The Coleman Classic 7650 BTUs butane stove is a practical and user-friendly cooking solution for campers, travelers, and anyone needing a portable burner. Its lightweight design and included carrying case make transportation simple, whether you're heading to a campsite, picnic area, or roadside stop. With 7,650 BTUs of cooking power, the stove provides steady heat suitable for preparing meals, heating soups, or brewing coffee. The adjustable burner allows precise temperature control, making it easier to cook delicate foods without scorching them. Coleman's InstaStart ignition system eliminates the need for matches, providing quick and reliable lighting with the push of a button. The built-in wind baffle helps protect the flame from moderate wind, improving cooking consistency outdoors. Cleanup is straightforward thanks to the removable porcelain-coated grate and rust-resistant aluminum burner. Its wide, stable base comfortably supports cookware up to 10 inches in diameter, giving users confidence while stirring or cooking larger portions. For those seeking an affordable, portable, and dependable butane stove, the Coleman Classic remains a solid option for outdoor cooking. Number 3. Iwatani 35FW Butane Camp Stove. The Iwatani 35FW Butane Camp Stove is designed for users who demand strong heat output and dependable performance in outdoor environments. Producing a powerful 15,000 BTUs, this stove delivers rapid heating that is ideal for boiling water quickly, stir-frying meals, or preparing larger dishes during camping trips. Its durable brass burner contributes to consistent heat distribution and long-term durability, making it a reliable companion for frequent outdoor use. The magnetic fuel locking system simplifies setup by allowing the butane canister to connect securely without complicated adjustments. One of the standout features is the double windbreaker design, which provides superior flame protection compared to many standard portable stoves. This makes the 35FW particularly useful in windy campsites or exposed outdoor settings. The advanced heat panel technology helps maximize fuel efficiency by maintaining heat output throughout the life of the canister. Safety is equally important, and the built-in automatic shutoff system activates if excessive pressure is detected. Combining power, efficiency, and thoughtful design, the Iwatani 35FW is a strong choice for serious outdoor cooking enthusiasts. Number 4. Jetboil HalfGen Basecamp Camp Stove. The Jetboil HalfGen Basecamp Camp Stove is built for campers who enjoy preparing more than basic trail meals. Featuring a 10,000 BTU burner, this versatile cooking system delivers enough power for boiling water, frying breakfast, or preparing hearty dinners at camp. What makes the HalfGen unique is its compatibility with JetLink systems, allowing it to connect with other compatible stoves and create a more complete outdoor cooking setup.
The included 9-inch ceramic-coated fry pan offers excellent non-stick performance and makes cooking eggs, pancakes, burgers, and other meals much easier. Jetboil's proprietary regulator technology maintains consistent heat output and allows precise flame adjustments from a gentle simmer to a full boil. Even in cooler temperatures, the stove continues performing reliably, making it suitable for a wide range of outdoor adventures. Although it weighs more than ultralight backpacking stoves, the added stability and cooking versatility are significant advantages for Basecamp use. For campers who value convenience, cooking flexibility, and dependable performance, the HalfGen is a capable and well-designed outdoor stove system.
Number 5. Fire Maple Faster Boil with HX Basecamp Stove. The Fire Maple Faster Boil with HX Basecamp Stove is an efficient and compact cooking system designed for backpackers and campers who prioritize speed and fuel efficiency. Its integrated design combines the stove and 1-liter cooking pot into a single unit, creating a streamlined setup that is quick to assemble and easy to use. Fire Maple's heat exchange technology helps reduce boiling times by up to 30% compared to traditional backpacking stoves, making it particularly useful when preparing meals after a long day on the trail. The built-in piezoelectric igniter eliminates the need for matches, providing instant ignition with minimal effort. Despite its lightweight 18-ounce construction, the stove feels sturdy thanks to its hard anodized aluminum pot and secure locking handle. The insulating neoprene sleeve improves handling comfort and helps retain heat during cooking. All components fit neatly inside the cooking pot for convenient packing and storage. While a windscreen is recommended in breezy conditions, the stove remains a highly efficient choice for outdoor adventures. Its portability, fast performance, and thoughtful design make it a favorite among backpackers and hikers. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.